Hi, this is Gabriela, your local realtor. Today I would love to show you this brand new community called Ridden, built by KB Homes in North Long Beach. All the units are townhome style units, 3 stories, and they have several different floor plans to choose from 2 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms, and 4 bedrooms, different sizes. They all come with private garages that has EV charging, laundry inside, nice open floor plans. They're wonderful, wonderful size units. And most importantly, they're pretty affordable. Let's take a look. So this is a plan 2. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms plus flex room. So this is considered a flex room. It's about 1630 square feet. So this flex room could be used as an office, den, TV room, workout room. It's a pretty good size on a street level. As you could see, it's facing the corner. And then we have the 2-car garage. And it's a really nice spacious garage, 2-car garage. We have also the electric vehicle plug-in, so EV charging, which is in every single unit. Every unit has a private 2-car garage with the EV charging. And then upstairs in the first level, or second level, it's actually the second story. So in second level, we have nice size, spacious living room and beautiful kitchen, nice color scheme, and then a powder room downstairs here. So each unit comes equipped with built-in appliances. So we have the stove, microwave, and a dishwasher comes in automatically with each unit. The refrigerator and the washer and dryer is considered an upgrade. So that would be purchased separately. As you could see, this giant walk-in pantry. I love this. Any cook or anybody who cooks a lot loves this little pantry in here. So you store a lot of stuff in here. Nice size center island, which you could have a little breakfast bar here. These are really nice fixtures, which again, these are considered an upgrade. They all standard comes with silver fixtures. In this particular unit, we have the nice black ones. In other units, could be the gold fixtures, the handles, and the fixtures. You could see it's overlooking the community, which is still under construction, but this is going to be all built out. That will be right there in the middle. In the center will be the swimming pool and the clubhouse. And then also the countertops, they're all quartz countertops, but this particular stone is considered upgrade. Otherwise, it's just going to be a plain white. Again, stunning space, great appliances, great workspace for people who love to cook, and you can cook and entertain at the same time. So the living room, dining room area is nice open space where you can have your guests watch the TV and still do stuff in the kitchen if you wish to do so. So this particular unit is again facing the corner, so we have a lot of windows here. It's a little bigger than the 2 bedroom floor plans. As you could see, nice open space. And then each unit comes with, here is a little coat closet, good size. Each unit automatically comes with solar panels, and they are not extras. They are already included in the price, so that's very nice. Obviously, the electricity bill is going to be very low in all these energy efficient homes. And then we have upstairs, which is the top level. We have 2 secondary bedrooms. They come with decent sized closets. Again, this bedroom is going to be overlooking the community. Very nice and bright. It's a cute room, how they staged it for a little baby room, little baby girl room. And then we have the second guest bedroom or second secondary bedroom. Again, it's facing the community. Very nice and bright. Comes with nice sized closets. By the way, all have higher ceilings, which is nice. They feel a little bigger. The bedrooms also come with the carpeting. And then this is the guest bathroom with single sink. Again, we see little upgrades here with the black fixtures. And we have, again, the countertop is a quartz. All right, and in this particular unit, we have a tile on the flooring. But I was told that the standard equipment is actually vinyl that looks like tile. The kitchen is the same thing, vinyl that looks like tile, and the rest of the unit is going to be carpeted. That's the basic equipment, but obviously anybody can upgrade to have either vinyl flooring or tile, or obviously flooring of their choice, whatever the builder has available. Again, looking out, this particular floor plan has these 2 extra little windows, which is really cute, I think, and really nice because you get a lot of light in this room. That's really nice. So this is the master bedroom. Nice size room with a pretty good size walk-in closet. Right here. Goes all the way to the ceiling. It could be all built out. And this could have a nice mirrored door. And then we have nice size large master bathroom with a walk-in shower, and again it's upgraded with the black fixtures, nice double sink vanity. This is actually a really nice quartz countertop, and a nice tile here. Really nice size bathroom. And upstairs here we also have a little living closet and washer dryer, stackable full-size washer and dryer, which, as I mentioned, it does not come in standard equipment, but it is in this unit because it's a model unit, but it's available for purchase. So the washer dryer and the refrigerator do not come as a standard equipment in the unit. They need to be purchased separately. So coming down again to this beautiful living room space. This is such a nice unit. Beautiful, warm feeling. Also with the staging, but the cabinetry has a really nice color feel to it. Just love it. All right, this would be for this floor plan. So each unit comes with some outdoor space. The smaller floor plans, the 2 bedrooms, and the 3 bedrooms, they come with front patio. It's landscape right now, but it's going to be all paved or concrete, so people could put furniture, and it is actually in front of the unit. This is going to be divided. It's momentarily not really set up as patios, private patios, but they will be. So there's definitely outdoor space for every single unit. Nice size.